Alright, I'm sorry this video is late. This is lesson 39, stories about comparing. If you are a remote learner, you only have to do 15. Okay, so I would not do the hardest ones. I would do some of the ones you're more comfortable with. On this lesson, we learned how to find the difference between 2 years. So if we had the year 1969 and 1927, we put the year that is the greater number, which is 1969, on top and subtract it from the year that is the lesser number, 1927, and here we got 42. Let's see. Frederick and his brother played a board game. Frederick scored 354 points. His brother scored 425. How many more did Frederick's brother score than Frederick? So the difference, that's what we're finding. So you just take 425 minus 354 and you get 71. The main mistakes that could happen today is putting the smaller number on top instead of the larger or greater number. Be sure not to do that. Okay. Obviously, you can see where I've done this with the in-class people. I'm just going to kind of leave that on there and discuss. Cindy spent $1.25 for a milkshake and $1.50 for a chicken sandwich. So we need to add $1.25 and $1.50. Number 2, 12 of the 28 children in the class were boys. How many girls were in the class? So we have 28 minus 12. What am I doing, guys? And that'll give you the number of girls. The difference will give you the number of girls. In number 3 and 4, we're having some problems with these in class. Number 3, write the amount using words. Number 4, the students in class are having an issue. They don't understand where this number comes from when it says in problem 3. Just make sure you go up and reread that problem. Number 5, this map shows Bill's house and school. Bill lives how many blocks from the school? So we counted 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. And then we wrote directions, and I did abbreviate S for south, west, W, B means block. 6, which coin is 1/10 of a dollar? That is a dime. It just so happened that 10 was the denominator this time, but that doesn't work every time. Like if you had 1/25 of a dollar and you said, oh, that's a quarter, that actually does not work like that. It just so happens that 1/10 of a dollar is also 10 cents. You don't have to do number 7. Here, the odometer is changing in the tens place until we get to here. When you get to 190, then you need to go to 200, and then you can continue your pattern in the tens place. Number 9, I'm still getting only kind of halfway answers on these types of problems. I want you to subtract and find the amount of change they get, but also give me the coins. Is it 2 pennies? Is it 3 dimes? What is it? Number 10, we rounded 38 to 40, and then we added 40 twice to get 80, because it says to use the rounded price. 11, how much money is 5 quarters, 4 dimes, 3 nickels, and 2 pennies? I guess I've erased that work, but 5 quarters is $1.25, 4 dimes is 40, 3 nickels is 15, and 2 pennies is 2 cents. So you just add all those up. Not going to read all those to you. Make sure you don't do this one in words. It is in digits. Number 19, Albert was eager for lunch. He glanced at the clock on the wall. What time was it? I will do this one with you because we haven't talked a lot about telling time to the nearest minute. Here we have the hour hand. It is not yet 12, so it is still 11. It is not yet 40. It's between 35 and 40. 35, 36, 37, 38. 11:38. It's about time for lunch. It's actually a.m. Emma has 4 quarters and 3 dimes. Angela has 19 dimes. Which girl has more money? So Angela has $1.90. I'll just give you this. And Emma has $1.30. Yep. So tell me who has more and do a subtraction problem with that. All right, so sorry it was late. Have a great day.